Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hebil. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I know it's been a long while since we've been outside, but finally here we are and we're about to see some giraffes. So stay tuned and I show you around Nguuni Nature Sanctuary. It's a very nice place. It's very peaceful, but there's plenty of people though. Because I'm social distancing, I'm wondering why there's so much of people. But anyways, we're gonna go around, see the place. It's very beautiful, as I've said, and so many kids playing. It's where you can bring kids, have a picnic, relax, just have a peaceful moment. So we're about to go see some giraffes, so stay tuned. Mkae mnatokea smart. Mnatokea smart, so you kae on flake.
What you don't say. Wait.
Aya, pause.
I'm in the video of it. She's vlogging for her YouTube. No, that's the video. The video. Na bado mko. She's vlogging for her YouTube.
Love it. Oh, you just no pop now.
Wewe vipi nyinyi?
So quiet. Beachy feel.
You're finally here. You're finally
Hey, nimedhani Bedfilo.
Ati Bedfilo sa. Yay!
Leo ni siku yako. Tunasema happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey guys, so we're coming to the end of our vlog. Actually, we're about to leave here in a few minutes. So I just want to say goodbye and I want to say thank you for watching my video. If you've watched till this end, I want to say thank you and I love you guys so much. I'll be seeing you guys pretty soon in my next video. Ciao.